How to create poll on WhatsApp. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a poll on WhatsApp. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here now you will need to navigate to the individual or group chat where you'd want to create the poll. Once you tap on the chat, you will reach to their chat page. Now inside it, here at the bottom, you will need to look for this paperclip icon. Tap on the paperclip icon located in the message input area and then you will be able to see the pop-up options. From here, you will need to select the poll option. Tap on this poll option. Now, by doing so, you will need to enter your question and your answers. In the question field, type in your poll question. After entering your question, now you can enter the answer choices in the options fields below. You will be able to add up to 12 options here. You'll also be able to rearrange these options. For that, you'll need to simply tap and hold the option and then drag it to your desired position. Once doing that, if you want the participants to select more than one option from here, then ensure that the allow multiple answers setting is toggled on at the bottom. And if you'd want to restrict them to only one choice, then you can turn off this setting. Now once you have set up your question and options, tap on the send or the airplane-like icon at the bottom right to share your poll in the chat. By doing so, you will see you have successfully created poll on WhatsApp. Now participants can vote by tapping their preferred choices and everyone will be able to see how many votes each option has received. You will also be able to view the poll results by tapping on this view votes on the poll itself within the chat. So by following these steps, you can easily create and manage polls on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.